Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you one solution of a problem. So I have my Shopify store and you can see that this is the page where I have all the collections displayed. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to improve the URL. Basically I'm going to clean the URL of the pages. So let me show you. For example, I'm clicking on this collection. So on the top you can see that we have /collections and then name of that collection, which is /best-sellers. So in the same way, if I'm going back and clicking on this collection page, you can see that we have /collections and then we have summer-collections. So I am interested to remove this /collections from all the URLs so that my URL should be more neat and clean and much more smaller, so that I could only see /summer-collections, or maybe you can also replace this collection with something else, for example shop. So I will show you that how you can do this into your Shopify store so that your Shopify store will become more user friendly and it become more professional as well. So for that I will have to write some code and I also need to make some changes in the backend. So let me do it quickly and then I will show you the results. So here in the dashboard you can see that I have installed Horizon theme. If you have any other theme, maybe free theme or paid theme, so this solution will work for all the themes. So this is not actually dependent on a specific theme. This is a common solution for all the themes. So let me do it quickly and then I will show you the results. So I have done all those changes and now let me refresh this page, and then after let me click on this collection and you can see now on the top in the URL we don't have /collections anymore. We only have the name of collection, and now the URL is much more optimized and it is looking more smaller because we have only the domain name and then we have the collection name. In the same way, if I am going back and clicking on any other collection, so you can see that we have new arrivals without /collections. Similarly, if I'm going back and clicking on summer collection, so you can see that we have /collections removed and then we don't have /collections. And one last collection which I had was summer collection. So if I'm clicking on that, you can see we have /collections removed from the URL. So that's how you can actually clean the URL. If you want to add something else instead of /collections, you can also make that one. So let me do that minor change and show you the result. Now I made that change and let me go back here and then let's say I'm clicking on this collection. So now you can see that we have /shop instead of /collections. Alright, so /shop and then name of that collection. If I'm clicking on any other collection page, for example this one, so you can see that we have /shop and then collection name. In the same way, if I'm going back and clicking on this first collection, so you can see that we have /shop and then name of that collection. So that means we have now the clean URL without having any additional /collection. So you can either remove it or maybe replace it with something else. So in both the ways, you can actually solve this issue. So in the previous videos, I explained that how you can remove /products, /pages, /policies. So in this video I showed you that how you can remove /collections. So in the next video I will show you that how you can remove /blogs. So these are the solutions which I have created basically for one of my customer. So I thought that I also need to make you aware that this is also one of the possibility which we can actually work on in our Shopify store, because in most of the cases if we are working on WordPress or any other platform, then there we already have the solutions, but in Shopify we had a little bit difficulty in this updating the URL. So I finally solved this issue and now I can help you out in that. So if you are interested to implement this same thing into your Shopify store, I have already given the link below in the description. So just you need to click on that and you can buy this service. So if you are facing any issues or something, then definitely you can ask me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.